And here's how to add testimonial slider in our WordPress website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to Add New Plugin page. Here, search for Strong Testimonial, and this is the exact plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this Strong Testimonials plugin that comes from WP-Chill. Once the plugin activated, in this left-hand menu, you see this testimonials option. So hover over on testimonials and click on Add New. And now we have to add testimonial slider one by one. So first of all, let's create my first testimonial, giving the testimonial name John. And in this description box, write a description for the specific user or account. And now here we can see the client details section. Enter here your client details. Enter here your client email address. Enter here your client company name, company website. And now here we can see the star rating. So add a star rating for the specific client. And here we can see the excerpt box. You can write a excerpt. And to add a featured image for the client, you can scroll down here and we can see the featured image section. So click on Set Featured Image. And now go ahead and select or upload a photo for the client. I'm selecting this random photo, for example. And now click on Publish. And that's how you have to go ahead and add more testimonials one by one. Once you successfully created all of your testimonials, now go to All Testimonial section. And here you find all of your added client testimonials. Now go to Views section. And now we have to make a view using our created testimonial. So click on Add New. And here giving name test and mode, selecting here slideshow, and query option select. I'm clicking here and selecting one or multiple testimonials, and quantity I'm selecting all because I want to visible all of my created testimonials in this view section. And here we can see fields, so you can go ahead and customize testimonial fields from this box. And after that, I'm clicking on Save Changes. And here you see a shortcode for the view. So copy this shortcode. And now simply go to Post or Page section where you want to add testimonial slider. Edit the post or page. And now click the Add Block icon and select shortcode. Paste the shortcode here and save your page or post. And now let's view this post. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added testimonial in my WordPress. And as you can see, testimonials are automatically changing. Now, in order to add your testimonial in your widget section, then go to your dashboard again and hover over on Appearance and click on Widgets. And now select the widget where you want to add testimonial. Add a new block, add shortcode, and the same way here paste your testimonial shortcode and click on Update. And this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching.